Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Elite Suito to Zwift. First, make sure your Elite Suito smart trainer is plugged in and powered on, indicated by a solid green light. Next, download and install the Zwift application on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Finally, securely mount your bike onto the trainer, ensuring it's stable and ready for your ride. Once Zwift is open, log in to your account. You'll then be directed to the pairing screen, which is your central hub for connecting devices. Here, you'll want to select the power source option. This tells Zwift to start looking for devices that can provide power data, like your Elite Suito, ensuring a smooth connection process. On the pairing screen, you should see Elite Suito appear under both power source and controllable trainer. If it doesn't show up right away, click the search button. It's crucial to pair your Suito for both power and control. This allows Zwift to read your wattage and also adjust the resistance, giving you a fully immersive and realistic riding experience. After successfully pairing your Elite Suito, take a moment to ensure any other devices, like a heart rate monitor, are also connected. Once everything looks good, click OK or Let's Go to enter the virtual world of Zwift. You're now ready to enjoy a fantastic and interactive cycling experience, tackling climbs and sprints with your Elite Suito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.